How to get rid of blackheads naturally. Tomato mask. If you want to try this mask, you just have to do nothing but to arrange a tomato. Direction: take a medium-sized tomato and mash it with a fork or even with your hand. Apply this mask to your face or over your blackheads. Rub the area for 2 minutes. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, wash your face or skin. Note: if your skin is dry, then you can also try to add some extra virgin olive oil with this tomato mask. It will make your skin soft. If your skin is oily, then do not try to use olive oil as it may increase the chances of having acne. If your skin is normal, then it is your wish whether you want to try olive oil or not. Olive oil and sugar. If you want to apply this solution, you have to arrange 1 teaspoon of sugar as well as 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Direction: mix olive oil and sugar. Rub it to the affected area. Rub this mask for 1 minute. After that, wash your face with clean water. Note: if you have acne problems, then you need not rub your skin. You can also add some lemon juice to get the best result. Green tea solutions. In the event that you use endless hours attempting to pop, rub, or concentrate clogged pores from your face, just make use of the green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants. Green tea not just diminishes oils and irritation on the skin, it also secures its future from harm. So next time you discover small dark obstructed pores covering your face, just brew up green tea to help clear them up. If you want to apply this solution, you will need some items like 1 saucepan, drinking glass, soft towel, gentle face wash, cotton ball and 2 bags of green tea. Direction: fill your saucepan with 1 mug of water. Put it on the stove and heat to the point of boiling. Remove the container from the stove. Place 2 green tea packs into the water and let it steam for half an hour. Place this tea mixture in another glass. Place the glass in the cooler and let it chill for 1 hour. Wash your face with a tender face wash or baby cleanser. Rinse well as pat your face dry with a delicate towel. Take the cotton ball and wet it with the chilled green tea. Dab this tea onto the clogged pores all over. Leave it on your skin for 15 minutes. Wash your face with cool water, dry completely, and apply skin cream or moisturizer to your skin. Repeat the same process for 1 week. You will get a magical result. Green tea also works great for severe acne. If you have a severe acne problem, then you can also apply the same green tea solution, but in that case, you have to continue this habit for at least 6 weeks and you have to apply at least once a day. You can also drink green tea regularly as it will help you to keep you healthy, and it is also a great solution to treat your blackheads inside and out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more natural remedies video. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.